Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a small sketchbook sized 6 by 9 inches for pourability. Prefer heavy paper around 300 GSM to handle ink and watercolor washes. Pack a simple kit with a 0.5 pen, a graphite pencil, and a water brush. Set a clear daily goal of 15 minutes of sketching and free writing each session. Start pages with a quick visual prompt, then move to textures, colors, and notes. Close by dating and tagging pages for later themes and project ideas. Use 5-minute warm-ups with blind contours and gesture sketches to loosen your hand. Apply 1/4 of each page to color studies using 3 tones maximum. Layer ink lines before washes to preserve contrast and lively marks. Alternate prompts between observation, memory, and imagination every other day. Annotate visuals with short notes about mood, materials, and time spent. Review weekly to select 2 pieces for refinement or creative exploration. Keep a small swatch and palette list at the top of pages for consistency. End every week with a 10-minute reflection noting progress and recurring motifs. Photograph pages at 300 dpi and organize them digitally by theme or date. Share 2 works weekly with peers for feedback and growth. Translate feedback into 1 focused revision or experiment each weekend. Keep a running list of project ideas and mark any idea over 15 likes. Rotate materials monthly to expand techniques and avoid creative plateaus. Celebrate milestones with a physical print or small exhibition every 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.